How to log in to Viber account. So if you want to log into Viber account, then first of all open up your Play Store and on the search bar search for Viber and tap on install. And after installing the application, you can tap on open and now tap on start now. So now you have to first choose your country code, and then on the next you have to enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number tap on continue and then tap on S and allow everything. And now Viber will call you on your number. You need not to answer the call. And now you can tap on the tick which is on the bottom right corner and then tap on restore now and then allow. And that's it guys, that's how you log into your Viber account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.